Big generous donation on it. Big, yeah, what? Yeah, what? Very simple, we're not gonna put any extras, but you can always stuff it with other treats that you like.
Cookies?
No. No! I can't believe you're doing this. Grab that right there. No. Actually, fun over here. Now we wait like 5 minutes. This is bad for me. Yeah, this is great. This is looking great. Awesome.
Oh!
I promise you that's never happened before. Your arm right around there, and you want one smooth, consistent stroke all the way around. That's good. Let's stop there for now. Give it a little. Hey, buddy. Push. Don't be afraid. You want to put some sprinkles? Just a few. A little bit. It's too much. It's making it too pretty. Oh, yes. Enjoy it with your friends, family, but make sure you always share.
Or just for me.